finally have a vlogging camera. Hi you guys, my name is Kaylee. Welcome to my channel. I finally have a vlogging camera and I'm so excited because I really want to start posting weekly vlogs and day in the life. Super open to content suggestions as well. But welcome to my page. Please feel free to like and subscribe. I would love to have you as a part of the family. We are also really close to 10,000 subscribers, which I'm so excited about, especially because I've hardly even like tapped into YouTube yet. That is so exciting. So anyways, welcome. I hope you enjoyed this video. We are just going to get ready. I'm filming this at the end of my video, so that's why the lighting is probably gonna be a lot different. But anyways, let's get into today's little video. How stinking exciting is this? I feel like I'm just gonna stare at the screen like the whole time I'm doing this. I just got back from a super sweaty leg day at the gym. It is 6 o'clock right now. I am going to start making dinner. I actually like weirdly haven't been as hungry today. So I haven't had lunch actually. Normally I'm pretty good at eating lunch, but I'm going to make up some mahi-mahi, so I figured I would show you guys how I make my mahi-mahi bowls and how I prep my fish and get on with our night. There is something in my eyeball. The quality on this camera is really nice. I got it. It was a whole dog fuzz. Oh, also I just got a package in the mail. I bought a bunch of things for Amazon Prime Day, and I think one of my packages just got here, and I ordered a bunch of Levi's because they were on sale for like $40. So I'm gonna show you some of the things I got from Amazon Prime Day. Also, I am gonna make another vlog on Monday. I have a hair appointment and I'm doing something pretty dang different with my hair, and I'm really excited for it. So here's the first thing I got from, oh wait, hold on one second. So here is the mahi-mahi. I'm all over the place. So I use this mahi-mahi from Costco, and I leave it frozen, and then I put the mahi-mahi just in like a bowl of warm water, and I just thaw these guys out, and then I will end up cooking them in the cast iron. So I'm gonna wait for these to thaw and then we'll get going. But while we're waiting, we'll go through my Amazon purchases. Okay, now let's get to my Amazon purchases. One of my Amazon purchases was this camera. Unfortunately, it was not on sale, but again, I've been contemplating it for a long time, so I finally pulled the trigger. I was already spending a bunch of money on Prime Day, so I was like, why not? And to go along with the camera, I got the tripod and a little microphone. I'm not using it for this video though, so hopefully the quality, bear with me if the sound quality is not very good because I couldn't figure out how to set up the microphone. And again, I'm an impatient person, so we're moving on without the microphone. So starting off, I bought this, I haven't opened it yet. It is an LED like travel makeup mirror. I do have a trip coming up, a very special trip. I can't wait to tell you guys about it. It's a secret right now, but obviously you will know it when it happens. But I have a trip coming up, and with that, I really just wanted my makeup to look okay, because a lot of times hotel lighting or wherever you're staying doesn't have good lighting. So I ended up getting this guy. I think this was on sale. And let's see. Oh. Cute, it's like a good size. So you can just set it down. Look at that. That's my little camera. Okay, so yeah, you just set it. I think it tips all the way back and you set it up like this. Let's see if it turns out. I think it needs to charge or something. Okay, but all in all, I think this will be a good purchase to take with you, and it's nice and like thin, so hopefully that fits in your suitcase easily. And I really want to show you guys my Levi's. I think that's what this is. Okay, yes, oh my gosh. Can you believe it? Levi's, these were like the legit really cute Levi's that I bought in the past, and I got 3 pairs. And normally I bought mine from Nordstrom like a long time ago. These are the high-waisted straight, and then I got a rib cage pair. Here, one second, Keenan's calling me. Hey. Okay, sorry, I just got off the phone with Keenan, and I had a snack while I was on the phone with him because I started to feel, I don't know if anyone else feels nauseous if they wait too long to eat, but I get nauseous basically every single day if I wait too long. So I had a rice cake with some turkey on it. Anyways, time to get back to the jeans. So these, let's see what I got. I also, oops, I ripped the tag off. I also get jeans and I always rip holes in the knees myself because I love holey jeans. So these are the high-waisted straight jeans. And I guess, let's see, these are cute. I like them. I love the color of these too. Maybe I should try them on for you guys so we know if they're actually cute. And I got these in a size 25. And then let's check out these ones. I actually think I bought these once before, and I bought them in a size that was already a little too small for me. And then my booty got bigger and I just couldn't fit into them anymore. So I bought them in another size. I got them in a size up. These are them. Actually, these feel a little different. Actually, I think they're the same. Ribcage ankle straight jeans. I like them in this light blue color. Then one more for the high-waisted straight jeans in this like medium blue. So I got 3 different shades because I wasn't just gonna be like so basic. So I got 3 different shades, like a deeper indigo denim and then a light denim and then this like medium light blue. Let's see, these ones don't have holes in them, but maybe if I want to, I will rip holes in the knees. Should I try it on here? Quit begging. I will try them on for you. Be right back. Here's pair number 1. I know you can't really see like the whole thing. I love the fit of them. And I think I'll probably still end up keeping them, but holy Toledo, these are high-waisted. Like, I am this tall, I'm 5'1", and literally my boob starts here. What? That's literally an inch. So I don't want to look like a school, like super stubby in these, but maybe even with like, if I were to, I feel like this looks okay, right? I don't know, let's see. Does this look fine? It's not really light pair of jeans. They aren't as like wide-legged. It almost looks like it, I don't know, doesn't taper down like quite as much. But these ones actually are really stretchy too, which is kind of nice. But I do like the color, and I like the fit for the most part. I think these will be cuter if I cut holes in the knees. And then the other ones I'm not going to try on right now because they're the same fit as the first pair, just with holes in the knees. So anyways, that is it for my lovely little Levi's try on. Now we're going to check on the Mahi Mahi. We'll see if it's thawed out. In case you're wondering, in the meantime, this is the Mahi Mahi I'm using from Costco. I got this in the frozen food section, like where you get, I don't know, all the other frozen food at Costco. We're gonna move on with prepping dinner. So the Mahi Mahi is thawed, and I'm going to show you how I prep my fish. And also, if you don't like Mahi Mahi, this would still apply for like if you enjoy salmon, or honestly you can make this into a chicken bowl, whatever meat you like. Prefer not to prep full-on meals. I prefer to prep ingredients. It just makes it a lot easier when there is something that I want to eat, then I can just reach in my fridge, grab things that have already been made, and then cook up something really quick to kind of go with it. So if I prep a meat, like I'll prep a bunch of chicken that'll just last me for like that 5 days or whatever, then I'll have either like a really easily like microwavable vegetable or something I can throw on the stove super quick, or microwavable rice. Like that type of stuff makes your life so much easier. I'm going to show the fish, so if you don't like seeing like raw meat or anything, you can fast forward through this part. 3 of these fillets, and I'm just going to cut them. So you can put these in chunks. You can, if you want to grill them or something, you can leave them whole, but if I'm doing them on the cast iron, it works really well just to dice them and throw them in the cast iron. Or I will throw all these chunks then into a bowl, and I'll season them, and then we will toss them in the cast iron. And then after I dice them, I'm going to throw them in this bowl, and I will show you how I season them. I feel like the flavor is just, it's so good. I have this in a bowl. I'm just going to kind of quickly spray them with an avocado spray. This is a 0-calorie avocado spray. Super quick way to, if you are tracking calories, to not worry about the extra calories from an olive oil. So I'm going to start with a little bit of cayenne pepper. Just a little. Overall, that is probably gonna be kind of spicy. You don't have to add that if you don't like spice. Next, I'll add some smoked paprika. I love smoked paprika, it's so yummy. And again, for just a little spice, I'll do just a dash of chili powder, some onion powder, some garlic powder, or this is garlic salt, but then I don't add any salt if I'm gonna do garlic salt. And then you can just mix these guys up. Kind of just toss them. Now that I prepped my fish, I will start heating up my cast iron, and then it only takes a few minutes. So this is actually a really, really easy meal to make. The rice is microwavable, and then you can just toss in whatever else you want. I usually just do avocado or cucumber if I have it. So let's see if I have any. I'll get the cast iron ready too. I have the cast iron, it's heated. I have some oil in there to coat the bottom of the pan so nothing sticks. And then all you do, this is so easy. I'm just going to toss in all of my fish to my hot cast iron. So I'll usually just like keep moving this around once I feel like it starts cooking pretty evenly, and then I'll just make sure I cook it all the way through. It should really only take like 6 minutes, 8 minutes, and then we're freaking eating, baby. Okay, the mahi-mahi is just about done. And I even kind of like cut pieces into smaller pieces when it's like cooked. And I just realized I looked in my fridge because I was gonna prep my avocado and my cucumber. And I'm officially out of avocado and cucumber. So this is not going to look as cute, but you guys have seen it on my Instagram. You already know that I normally do it with avocado and cucumber, but today it's gonna look a little more boring because I went through all my veggies. So this is just gonna be mahi-mahi and rice and some like cocominos and a spicy mayo. I'll show you how I put that on too. But I'm gonna put our little bowl together now. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, everything I do just to get a frickin' plate. If I was like 4 inches taller, I wouldn't have that problem. So I love this BB Go rice from Costco. I'm petrified for the day that they don't have it because they have run out of it before, and it scares me to bits because this is my favorite rice. 4 ounces of the mahi-mahi. Let me get that in there. Some spicy mayo. That was 4 grams of spicy mayo. All right, we're eating our mahi-mahi and rice. Let's give our humble opinion on how the mahi-mahi turned out. Oh my gosh. That is so good. So good. It would be really helpful if you guys had any specific requests for YouTube videos or vlogs, or like what you want to see, or questions for me or anything like that. I think that would help me be able to put out more content for you. We're almost to 10,000 subscribers too, which blows my mind because I haven't been on YouTube very much. All right, my dinner is finished, and I just kind of wanted to play around with my new camera and share with you guys just one of my favorite recipes, and I think that's going to be kind of my very first vlog style video with you guys, just to hang out, chit chat, and I'm hoping to do weekly vlogs Again, if you have any content suggestions, please feel free to comment those down below, and I'll respond to all of your comments as well. But anyways, I just wanted to hang out with you guys more, post more videos, post all of my favorite things, advice, tips, content, weekly vlogs, what my workouts look like, and just give you guys a little bit more insight into my life. So I will see you guys very, very soon, because again, I'm not going anywhere. This is why I got this camera, because we're gonna be doing some weekly frickin' stuff. So I love you, have a wonderful night, and I'll see you soon.